Hello, my name is Emmanuel Vinas and my partner is Justin Fletcher. And today I'm going to introduce you to the SmartBuilding version 4.0 project. Project owners are Ali Mustafavi and Leonardo Balbudia, and the instructor is Professor Sadaji. So let's talk a little bit about the project history. The current system, Building Brain versions 1 through 3, is an Android application that is intended to decrease its users' energy waste behaviors. It does this through various forms of gamification such as notifications and rewards. Energy consumption has been a big problem to not only the environment, but to our wallets. On a country size scale, 1% of energy waste translates into hundreds of millions of dollars. So to know how effective this application can help reduce these wasteful behaviors, it needs to be properly tested. This, however, is expensive and time-consuming, which leads us to the problem. Our current problem, the hardware to test this application is a bit costly, and not to mention the amount of time it would take to install it in a house, and the amount of time it would take to effectively test it. So the new version of Building Brain, which does not directly improve on the application itself, is a simulation, and more specifically, a fast and cheap test environment for the Android app features. The simulation will provide the project owner with a flexible experiment that can simulate an entire day of energy usage behavior in under 5 minutes. The use of the Oculus Rift will provide the user subject with a more immersive experience. The main subsystems of the simulation are broken up into two parts. The first is the underlying Unity game engine architecture. The second is a mix of components that we create that share dependencies with higher level components provided by Unity. Our components are further broken down into model, view, and controller components. We have two major design patterns: model view controller and object component system. This is a minimal class diagram of the scripts I have worked on. And this is the minimal class diagram of the scripts my partner has worked on. So to conclude this intro, I would like to thank you for watching and hope you enjoy using or working on this project as much as I have.